In the next few minutes, I am going to decode about 6 foods for increased sperm count and penis growth. Instead of eating if your penis requires special care, fill your day with healthy whole foods that help your blood carry the nutrients your penis, prostate, and other sexual organs require to function at their best. This food may help increase your sexual health and performance. Whatever you are concerned about low testosterone level, erectile dysfunction or prostate health. So let's start with the number one food is Spanish. Yes guys, Spanish helped Poyop and it might assess you as well. Guys, you know Spanish is high in folate, which is a well-known blood flow enhancer. Folic acid is important for male sexual function. Erectile dysfunction has been linked to low folic acid level in the blood. You know guys, cooked Spanish is one of the best folate-rich foods available with 77% of the daily value for folate per cup. You know, 185 grams. Spanish also includes significant amount of magnesium which helps to enhance blood flow and may increase testosterone level. So Spanish is really important for your sperm count and penis growth. So the number two food is cup of coffee. Yes guys, your morning cup of java can also help you lose weight below the belt. In one study of over 3,000 males, those who self-reported the highest daily coffee per day to 1 to 3 cups or 214 to 720 ml of coffee were less likely than those who self-reported the lowest coffee intake to have erectile dysfunction. You know guys, it's worth noting thought that this results were based on the participants self-reporting, so they might not be totally accurate. So coffee has the ability to increase your sperm count. So I have a number three food for you for your increased sperm count is apple. Yes guys, apple have many health benefits, but one of the least recognized is that they can help with prostate health because the active component acid is found in abundance in apple have shown a test tube study to strip prostate cancer cells and prevent them from proliferating. However, further research is needed to properly understand how this effort might translate to eating apple peels rather than directly applying acid to cancer cells. Other studies, however, suggest that men who eat more fruit and vegetable have a better chance of surviving prostate cancer. Yes, guys, apple have very important role to increase your sperm count. So number four food for you is avocados. Yes guys, when the Aztec discovered avocados in 500, they named them after a term that meant testicles because of their shape and the fact that they grow in pears and avocado trees. Avocados are high in vitamin E, which may help infertile men increase his quality of sperm. One medical avocado, I mean, 150 gram contain 21% of daily value for vitamin E. Zinc, a key mineral involved in sperm quality, testosterone production, and fertility, is also found in medicine. I mean, 115 gram avocados. So number five food is chili pepper. Yes guys, I have a question before explain this. Are you able to withstand the heat? Yes guys, men who enjoy spicier foods had higher testosterone level in their saliva than men who choose milder flavors according to a small study. While spicy food did not rise testosterone level, the chemical present in hot vapor may have some benefit in the bedroom. Dietary spicy may stimulate the pleasure recognized in your brain, providing an effect. However, the majority of the study on chili pepper and mood has been done on animals, so it take with the grain of salt. So chili pepper is really best for your increased sperm count and penis growth. So number last and number 6 food for you is carrots. Yes guys, you know what to increase your sperm count? More carrots according to science. They are also been studied for use for male infertility in transitional medicine for a long time. Because of its carotenoid content, this vegetable may help with sperm count and motility, the movement and swimming of sperm count. The organ pigment oxidant found in carrots are responsible for many of the vegetable health advantages. Yes guys, carrots is really important for your penis health. So I repeated all this summary of the video. So the number one food for increase your sperm count is spanish. The number two food is cup of coffee. The number three food is, yes guys, the number three food is avocados. The number four food is apple, and the number 5 food is chili pepper, and the number 6 food is, you know what, and don't forget it, carrot. Yes guys, and don't forget to check other videos of this channel. If